Welcome to my little video on making QR codes. QR codes are actually pretty easy to make and they're quite a handy little thing for all sorts of reasons. I like attaching all sorts of different things to QR codes and I use them in my classroom for everything from seating plans to linking the students' media files to them for showing to parents. So to get started, what you need to do is to type into your address bar here in the internet qrstuff.com. There are other websites that you can use, but I like this one. It gives you QR codes that are ad-free, and I think that's pretty handy. So once you're on that website, you can then select the data type that you want to link to the QR code. This can be everything from plain text to Twitter feeds to Google Maps locations, YouTube videos, all sorts of things that you can add. And once you've selected which data type you like, you'll get a little window that pops up here. And say, for example, you've picked plain text, then you would just type in the actual text you want to come up when you scan the QR code. Once you've done that, then you click on download QR code and it will download a file to your computer. The file you'll generally use as a JPEG later on. If you are using a Mac, then a preview screen like this will open, and what I recommend you do at that point is click on the share button and add the QR code to your iPhoto library. You can copy it and paste it into Word or Pages and then just use it like any other picture or image. You can resize things, you can add a heading to it if you need to. You could actually use them in something like PicCollage and make it pretty, and then you've got something that you can print out and use for your intended purpose. So that's basically how you make a QR code. Hopefully you have a scanner on a device with you, so have a scan on this one if you're from our primary school staff room, and when you tell me whose name comes up, I have an answer for that for me, then I will put you into a little prize draw. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope you've learned something about making QR codes.